Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. These days I'm quite obsessed with the colored eyeliner. Let's learn the trick to make colored eyeliners. For this look, first I'm prepping up my skin, starting off with the under eye cream. Then I will moisturize my face really well. For the correction, I'm using Nykaa's Skin Genius palette and correcting any discoloration on my face. Next, I'm using foundation all over my face and neck area. Then with the lighter concealer, I'm brightening up the areas where the light hits directly and then dabbing it with a damp blender. I will drag some extra product left over on my lids to prime them as well. For setting my face, I'm using a loose powder and dusting it all over my face lightly to avoid any creases. To give natural warmth to my face, I'm using the same palette and creating natural shadows on my face. Then I'm placing the blusher all over the contoured part and a very subtle highlighter to merge with the blusher and give that beautiful sheen. Moving on to the brows, I'm using a brow pomade to fill the sparse areas of my brows. Don't forget to brush spoolie through your brow in order to distribute the color and make it look much more natural. For the colored eyeliner, I'm taking mixing tray, setting spray, spritz twice and scrape some eyeshadow with a spoolie and then give a good mix. And now start working with it. Look how intense it came out. You can pretty much make any colored eyeliner with this trick. I always start from the wing and then cut the wing from halfway and drag it towards the center of my eye. And then I will join the starting point with the center. And repeat the same on the other side. After this, I'm lining my waterline with a white kajal and taking a dark brown color to create natural shadow under my eye. This trick makes your eyes look big. For the lips, I'm using two colors. One is the darker color and other is the lighter one. I'm lining my lips with the darker color and then we'll fill up the lips with the light pink color. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this trick, then do try it and don't forget to tag me. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.